All right, guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am going to show you how to clean your tub, especially if you have a jet tub. It is very important, guys, to clean out those jets. Have you ever heard of Legionella disease? Well, that is like a bacteria that can form in your jet lines and things of that nature, especially if you have like hot tubs and things of that nature. So I go behind my jets in the guts of my tub because I have a jet tub. So now, guys, I'm going to show you how I clean my tub. So guys, while I'm about to go up here and show you this tub, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below if you tried this method and if you was like shocked at what came out of your jets. Because when you use these methods that I'm about to show you, it's gonna trip you out. So guys, just know this is something that I do for my tub. So this is my disclaimer. If this is something you're gonna try, then that's on you. Because if something happened with my tub from me trying it, then that's on me. But guys, I have did this so many times, nothing has happened. And I've been in this house over 7 years. So let me show you what I am about to use, okay? Now guys, the first thing you wanna do is fill up your tub. Past the jets. All right, guys, you want the water to be filled up past the jet lines, okay? So when the jets start moving around, the water is going to go through there freely. So I am just going to turn this tub on. Okay guys, now that we have our tub full of water and the water is past the jets, we're going to turn on these jets and we're just going to let that hot water loosen up whatever is in that line, okay? We're going to do this before we even treat the jets. At this point, you're going to start seeing little particles that was left behind from the last time you cleaned it or the last time someone took a bath or a shower, and you'll see it floating around in the top of the water. So just let that clear water run for a minute or so before adding what we're going to add. It will line the inside of your pipes and everything, and guys, you don't want that. You don't want that. You'll clean, yeah, the outside of your tub, but what about the inside? So guys, after I let that run for like maybe a minute or so, because that's that warm water, because that is warm to hot water, that water is just going to run through those lines, clean those lines, guys. And whatever is lining those lines, it's going to loosen it up. And that's going to cut down on the bacteria and everything, guys. This is what I use. Cascade. Cascade, guys. So what we're going to do, we're just going to get one of these pods and we're going to drop it in the tub. So we're going to get one of these. We're going to drop it in there. And it's going to dissolve. And then it's just going to go through the line. You see it there? And I'm just going to let that just dissolve. And it's going to run through the line. And it's going to really clean that tub, guys. Look at that. Those lines are being cleansed out very well. So guys, I like to let that run for like a good 10-15 minutes. It's going to make your house smell good too. There's something about the smell of that smells good. So I have let it run like 10-15 minutes. The water is doing good. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so I just turned it off. Now the next thing that I like to do is this. I like to just take a turkey baster, guys. Now you can let this be above your jet or below your jet. I'm gonna let some of this water out. You want to fill this turkey baster up with some of this water. See? And you want it to get it below the jet. And even if you have to clean out your tub, start cleaning out your tub. Now guys, I am going to try to show you one of my jets. I don't know if you can see underneath there. Underneath here is some scum. It's coming from underneath that pipe. You see that? And I don't know if you can see in the water, but there are little floating things all in the water. There are little floating particles all in the water. I don't know if you can see it. So the next thing that I do, guys, is to ensure, let's see if I can get this one. See, I was able to suck it up in the tube. A lot of this is flying around in the tub, okay? Because that's just stuff that's stuck to the lines in your tub. You know, if you don't get it the very first time that you do it. So that's why I like to take a turkey baster. And I like to push. I love to push water, force it. I'm gonna see if I can get this little piece out right here. Yeah, it's in there. You can even see more. You can even see more trying to come out. Guys, look at the piece of black stuff that's right there. That's from just being lined in the tub when your tub drains. And I do this on a regular basis, guys. And this stuff all in the water. Guys, to ensure that your lines in your jet tub is clean, do this after every shower. Do this after every bath, because dirt and grime does get stuck behind those jets and in the lines. I'm telling you guys, I clean my tub like this all the time, but still clean it on a regular basis. You still have to do this, guys, to get whatever's in those lines out that's stuck behind the jets out from when the water, you know, drain out of your tub. Now, like I said, I'm going to try to let you see one more time some of the stuff that's in that water. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. You see those little dots and stuff there? Y'all see all that stuff there? That's stuff that's lining your pipe. Now, another thing you can do is take a toothbrush and go inside of your jets. A toothbrush fit perfectly inside of the jet. And we'll clean the inside wall of those jets. So then I drain the tub. All right, guys, so once I fill up my tub with hot water and let it run for 10 minutes, then I put a Cascade pot in there and I let it run for another 15 to 20 minutes so that detergent can get in those jets and those lines very well. Then after that, I lower the water so that I can get in there with my turkey baster. So once I push the hot water and the Cascade soapy water through with a turkey baster, whatever was behind the cap of that jet come busting out of there. So after that, I drain the tub. I fill that tub right back up with warm water, and I run some clean hot water through my jets. And that's how I clean my tub every time after use. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video, guys. And leave in the comment section down below if there's anything that I did not address that you want to know. And guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Let's get these tubs right. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah. It's shining now. That wasn't bad. It wasn't a lot in there this time. It was not a lot in there this time. All right, guys.
Then get up, get dressed.